Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. First, identify your learning style and what you hope to achieve with Python, whether it's web development, data analysis, or automation. Then, select a reputable online course or resource that caters to beginners. Consistency is key, so aim for at least 30 minutes of practice daily to build a strong foundation. To truly master Python, consistent practice is non-negotiable. Try to code for at least 1 hour every day, even if it's just solving a small problem. Actively work on mini projects, like building a simple calculator or a text-based game, to solidify your understanding. Don't hesitate to seek help from online forums or local meetups. Collaboration accelerates learning. Many excellent resources are available to help you learn Python. Websites like Codecademy offer structured courses, while official Python documentation provides comprehensive details. Consider installing an IDE such as Visual Studio Code. It offers powerful features like debugging and syntax highlighting, making your coding experience much smoother and more efficient. Once you've grasped the fundamentals, challenge yourself with more advanced projects. Try building a small web application using Flask or Django, or delve into data science with libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Contributing to open source projects is an excellent way to apply your skills, learn from others, and build a strong portfolio for future opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.